If you're looking to get tint done on your Model Y and you kind of want some ideas as far as how tint looks on your windows, check out this one that we just got done doing. So this is a brand new Model Y. We tinted every single window on here that you see. So the sides are tinted in Photosync 30. Y comes with darker rear windows than the front windows. That's just how it is. There's nothing you can really do about that. So your rear windows are always going to be slightly darker than the front, especially if you're trying to keep it legal here in Texas. But as you can see, even with the 30%, it's not too far off. And this is what it looks like on the back window. It looks pitch black from the outside. Kind of keep in mind how dark it looks from the outside on the back window and on the sides, because I want to show you something really cool on the inside. On the front windshield, we tinted this actually with a lighter film, 70% to be exact, so it's really clear. It won't affect visibility whatsoever. So here's the view from inside the car. This is through the front windshield. As you can see, really clear again, no problems looking in and out, even at nighttime for most people. And remember how the sides in the back looked from the outside? Look how much clearer it is from the inside looking out. It's insane. So for those of you who want that privacy but don't want to have a problem seeing out, this is definitely the film to go with, especially that back window. You guys saw how dark it was from the outside. Look how much clearer it is from the inside. You can see out without any issues. And we also tinted that massive sunroof up top in 30. Outside looking in, it's pretty much pitch black, but from the inside out, again, no problem seeing out, so you can still enjoy that nice view on a good sunny day. So hopefully this quick little video gave you some ideas as far as what to expect. If you have any questions, feel free to come by the shop and we can show you other shades that we have here as well.